Hi, Arlie. This is Tara and Anki and Bobby from Pennsylvania. We just wanted to send you a little bit of video from our deck. We're outside. We had a nice walk this morning, and we're doing a little bit of resting now, except for Anki. There he is. There he is. We just wanted to let you know what a good time we're having here. We had a great summer. Anki is 20 pounds and Tara is 7. And we play so nice together. We just love being brother and sister here in the same house. Sorry for sorry for the bumps. Down. Sorry for the bumps. I'm so gentle with my little sister. I'm big and strong, but we're so gentle with Tara. And she likes to play fight with me all the time. And we play tug of war. And we just have the best time. We sleep together, we eat together, we play. What are you guys doing, huh? What are you guys doing? Oh. As you can see, we're approaching early autumn here. The leaves are falling. It's still really warm out here. We're going to have a couple more months of nice warm weather. Whoops! Eee. Before the snow starts to fly. We have nice coats and sweaters to wear. And we're outside as long as there's no ice. We don't really like ice very much. We just wanted to also say thank you for taking such good care of us when we were tiny babies. And we were wondering how much we each would have weighed when we were born. Give or take. We were just wondering. We enjoy looking at the babies on your website, all the new babies coming along. And know that they're all going to have wonderful homes like we have here. We're just so happy to be here with Bobby and her partner here in Pennsylvania. So thank you again, Arlie. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, there he is. There he is. Where's Tara? Where's Tara? Where did Tara go? Where did Tara go? Where's Tara? Oh, where is she? Thank you, Arlie. We're so happy with our dogs. We just can't imagine our life in our home without them. Thanks again.